Welcome to Cyril and Jane Jolly's 1934 three-window Ford Coupe. This is just stunning, these things. I love them, eh? The laid-back style with a top roof just makes it look like an arrow doing 100 miles an hour while it's still parked on the side of the road. It's a beautiful stance. I love it, eh? The engine itself is a mid-90s tuned-port injected 350 Chevy. Runs back to a 700 R4 Auto, which is manual shift kitted, so you can really get it to jump up when you want it to. This all runs back to a Ford 9-inch. Stance is supplied by the Rods by Reed low front end, tri-loaded 4-bar rear end. Brakes are disc brakes all around, and the shocks are coilovers, so it can fair go around corners, this thing. Gloss paint just glistens, it really does. It reflects everything around it, it just looks like a mirror finish. The big Krager Pro Street wheels just show it off, bring back that whole nostalgia feel to it. The hoosie is wrapped onto those rims, just giving that high sidewall like it looks like a highboard. Suicide doors really set off the nostalgia feel with these things. The interior is fully redone, and the roof console to hide the stereo, and the billet dash just really sets it off. Really is a beautiful ride. If you get a chance to climb over this thing, have a really good look at it. The finishing and the detail is just awesome. It's a beautiful, beautiful car.